In this video, I will show you how to use the SUMIF function in Excel to sum values based on a condition. In this example, I want to sum the number of laptops sold only. I will click on the cell where I want the sum to appear. In the formula bar, I will type equals and SUMIF with an open bracket. I will then select the range where I want to sum the values of. For example, product. I will select the entire column. Then I will type a comma. For the second value, I want to only sum up the laptop, so I will type laptop in quotation marks. Then type a comma. Then I will select the range in which I want to sum, which in this case is the units sold. So I will select the entire column. Then I will close the brackets and press enter. I should now see the sum of only the laptops in my cell. And that's it. That's how you use the SUMIF function in Excel.